So here's a video of the biggest bird himself, Wizkid, rehearsing ahead of the Flytime festival, which is supposed to take place, I think, at the Echo Convention Center tonight. So y'all check out the video.
Girl, I'm calling you, calling you. I can try. Girl, I go there for you. Say I go see you through. Oh, girl, I'm ready.
Now you expect a shutdown, you expect nothing but fireworks. I mean, it's Big Wiz, it's the biggest bird, so you expect nothing but, classic performance tonight. So make sure if you're in Lagos tonight, make sure you go show the king some love, make sure you go show Machala some love, make sure you go out there and have fun, and make sure you stay safe. Happy Christmas and a happy New Year's in advance. Stay tuned, stay blessed, love.